everybody, welcome back to my channel Smile with Srimanti. Today I'm going to share my IKEA video tour with you. Now, being in Hyderabad, many of you will know that IKEA has opened up in Hyderabad. The first launch of IKEA in India is located now in Hyderabad. So being in Hyderabad, it was like must that I had to visit the store. As I walked in, I was in awe to see the exquisitely designed range of furniture solutions which are absolutely budget friendly, spread across a 13-acre of shopping complex in high-tech city Hyderabad. I simply loved the layouts and furnishings that IKEA has to offer. To add to that, the amazing food choices of the restaurant, the play area which my daughter simply loved, and the individual locker system, and the free parking facility simply won me over. As I was getting all happy and cheerful about the store, I came to know something which was just not expected from a furniture brand of this level. The e-commerce wing of this store is not yet functional, and unlike other furniture brands like Pepperfry and Urbanladdar that allows you to book anywhere, this furniture store does not follow the same business model. So you have to be there in Hyderabad to do the booking. I mean, how primitive. IKEA, if you're listening, please incorporate. We people staying outside Hyderabad and all over India, we are waiting. Not every city needs a walk-in store. Even online virtual platforms can get you as much business. So a thumbs up for the store, but a sad smiley for not having online buy facility and doorstep delivery. Nonetheless, here's a tour of the place. So enjoy, and people in Hyderabad, if you've not yet visited, please plan your day soon and you will not regret it.